Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Village. My village is only 3 kilometers from the city. It is a big and large village. Its population is about 50,000. Most of the people are farmers. Some people are businessmen. All the villagers are sturdy and smart. All of them are honest and dutiful. They work from morning till evening. The people of my village are fond of education. Nearly all the boys and girls go to school. There is one primary school and one high school for boys and one for girls. Those who want to get higher education in the college go to the city. There is a market in the village. The roads are made of bricks. The land of my village is very fertile. It gives good yield. I am proud of my village.